Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the Pakistan Cybercrime Bill 2016. This bill has been passed by National Assembly of Pakistan on 13th April 2016. Since inception, this bill is very controversial and the opposition parties and the civil society has raised several serious concerns on the bill. This bill contains several sections which are open to vague interpretation, leaving enough room for abuse and misuse by the authorities. The main risk involved in the bill is that many sections of the bill are inconsistent with each other, and if the bill is enacted as a legislation, users of the internet could be targeted for political or ideological reasons. From this section of presentation, I would like to highlight few clauses of the bill which are inconsistent and very vague. Definition. Many terms which are used in the bill like act, access to data, unauthorized access, data damage are not clearly defined in the bill. As a result, can be interpreted to include anything should the state choose to criminalize a particular act or a person. Glorification of offense and hate speech. According to bill, any act of creating a sense of fear, panic or insecurity through social media will come under the law and punishable with 14 years of prison or 50 million rupees fine or with both. You may notice that any act of freedom of expression or any sort of discussion on issues of public interest can be suppressed and can be convicted in crime. Illegal use of information system. According to the bill, the illegal use of information system, data or any device can be punished with imprisonment of 6 months or with fine 50,000 rupees or of both. Again, the illegal use is not properly defined in the bill, and in this age of technology, this clause is against the right of privacy of citizen. Unlawful online content. According to bill, the authority should have the power to remove or block or issue directions for removal or blocking of access to any information through any information system if it's necessary in the interest of security or defense of Pakistan. This clause is totally against the freedom of expression and gives blanket authority to restrict any social media network like Facebook, Twitter or YouTube. Overall analysis of the bill. Overall, this bill has vague, ambiguous and drafted loosely, leaving too much room for interpretation and provide chances of misuse of law. Conclusion. This bill should be redrafted when ensuring the supremacy of fundamental rights, including freedom of expression, right to information and right of privacy, and reapprove the bill from National Assembly of Pakistan. Thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends, and thanks a lot for your time.